Assalamu alaikum everyone. You are watching Smart English Learning. As I have mentioned in my previous video, it is human nature. Everyone needs motivation in life. Every language is a secret code to unlock a culture. Learn one and you get a ticket to explore a new world. If you think learning English is a race, so please stop it. Learning English is not a race. It's not you against time, and you don't win a medal. If you learn it in a few months, of course, you can use this short amount of time as a goal to try to learn as much and as soon as possible, to have an extra motivation, or to learn very intensively at the beginning. But I think that learning English language rather than a race should be a pleasant walk. The ability to learn quickly is something you can acquire with time. When you already know what your favorite method and resources are, and you can also adapt. It's what experts do. But until then, for you, the keys are consistency and patience. So let's talk about them. Consistency. Learning English has to be a constant process. It shouldn't have too many ups and downs, where you study one day and you don't for 2 days, or you study one day a week, but it must be an everyday commitment, or at least 5 days a week. Learning a language should become a daily habit, a part of your routine, a part of your day that you do not want to miss. Taking breaks or days off is okay because maybe you are busy, because you go on holiday, or you just need time off. But these off days should not be exceptions, not the norm, and they should not become the habit of not studying. Patience. You shouldn't force yourself to learn English in a week, in a month, and so on. And instead, you should have patience. If you learn English in 3 months and then you don't maintain it, you don't put it into practice, or you don't review it for the next 3 months, after a total of 6 months, you will remember nothing at all of the English you had learned. To get results in English learning, you must have patience. Patience over time, but also patience with yourself. Do not worry if after 1 or 2 months you don't understand everything when you read or when they talk to you, or if you make mistake when you speak. It's all part of the process. Don't rush it and instead have patience. What is important is to make a little progress every day to get results in the long term. If you get a little better every day, after 1 year you will be a lot better. So, my advice is to put consistency and patience together and to make an effort that's short but consistent over time in months or even years. After all, why should you rush language learning in a few months? If you are consistent and patient, it's okay to be slow. You know the fable of the tortoise and the hare, right? Let me give you an example. If I ask you to learn 5 new words in English every day, I am sure you will tell me that's a totally doable goal. Learning 5 words a day takes just 5 to 10 minutes. Now, 5 words are not a lot. You can do very little with 5 words. But if you learn 5 words a day for a year, at the end of the year, you will have learned almost 2000 words. And with 2000 words, you can have most conversation in English. And if you learn the most important words for you first, you can start speaking after just a short time. Of course, vocabulary is not the only aspect of English learning. There is grammar, pronunciations, conversation, reading, and so on. But this example, I need to tell you that it's not what you do once in a while, it's what you do day in and day out that makes the difference. Using patience and consistency to do even a little bit but every day will take you far and far. In this case means to become fluent in English language. Thank you.